Well, as you can see, it's still gray and cold and windy. Look at those waves. They're bigger today than they were yesterday. Tide is up too. You can see it's coming all the way up to the dunes. So we are at Goose Island State Park and we're gonna go look at the big tree. This is the big tree. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Look how old it is. That's beautiful. This one ain't much younger. We've made it to downtown San Antonio and we managed to find a parking lot that allowed 24-hour parking for a certain fee. So we're just going to stay the night here and we're just about a block from the Alamo. Right now we're going to go explore the Riverwalk and it sure is beautiful. We ate dinner at this amazing Mexican restaurant right on the Riverwalk called Iron Cactus. They had a live mariachi band and the food was absolutely delicious. Everything we ate was amazing. As you know, if you've been watching our channel, we absolutely love the cities at night, and San Antonio was no exception. The lights were beautiful. In 1835, Mexican troops that were stationed here built an earth and timber fortification known as a lunette. This became a key defensive position for the Texian forces during the Battle of the Alamo. It was eventually torn down, and this is a representation. That's the Alamo at night. Isn't that pretty, guys? And we'll be here tomorrow, and tomorrow's the 23rd, so it is the 189th anniversary commemorating it, so that's cool. It's a hopping little place down here. Hopping little place. The way you do it, I'll be recording this shit. This is laughing at stuff that we shouldn't do. So, we're in this parking lot in downtown San Antonio, and we parked here for the night. And so, I mean, it's like, let me show you guys. It's rainy out, it's dark. You can see the parking lot. So, these people were just walking by right here on the nose of the van. And I'm talking about really close to the van, like probably less than a foot away. And as they were walking, we did not do it. But we joked about
honking the horn.
I did it the other day, though.
Oh, she did. She got some kids the other day.
It's
They
the
were
water.
walking by the front of the van, and we were walking up, and we saw them, and she pushed the button and made the van honk and scared the kids.
They were throwing the F-bomb out.
They did. These guys would have. Oh my God, because they had no idea we were in here. And they were
probably beat on our hood if we did.
They weren't paying any attention, and they were so close.
You really can't see us.
No,
Especially with the mist on
oh
the
yeah,
windshield.
look at the windshield. I mean, it's a mess. Yeah, no, they can't tell we're in here.
Plus, they're in their own world. They're not paying attention.
So if we ever torture you with a honk, here's your preemptive. I'm sorry. Come back for the next videos to see the tour of the Alamo. You guys take care. We'll see you down the road.